coach that he keeps his hands up, and then I'm training when he strikes, so he's moving around on his toes, and then say jab, 1, 2, 1, 2, hands up. Yeah, you see? So he ends up being more real, so if we're fighting and sparring, instead of it just being like, it's your turn to practice some jabs, go. When's it my turn to go? Yeah, it becomes a real thing like jab. Let's get your hand back quickly. Yeah, there's all sorts of things we can mix in, so that's what we're trying to get. Okay, thank you. Okay, right, so from here, we're now going to add in the hook. Okay, so from here, you're just going to go jab, cross, and then circle it in. Once again, you want to meet it. So it's just like tagging in. So you're going 1, 2, 3. So if I use test a second, just pops in, so I want that again. Okay, so from here, so I go 1, 2, 3. See how I just catch it there. I meet it directly in the middle where her jawline would be, here, which is where mine would be, here. I don't want to set the pad way over here, unrealistic. So I hook that, so you can't reach it, it's out of range. So it needs to be in the middle, in the middle, in the middle. But once again, I just catch it. If I don't catch it, what will happen is if she hooks and she gets harder and it hits, she's just going to do this and go on my shoulder. So for now, I'm going to make sure that I go like this, just keep it steady. That, a little bit of feedback. Yeah, so she gets what it's like to really hit a real target, and I don't injure my shoulder. And if you notice, the pad holding, we're both doing the same. I'm going to go jab, cross, hook. She's going to do jab, cross, hook, just I'm holding pad, so go. Jab, cross, hook, and again. Jab, cross, hook, and again. Jab, cross, hook, and again. Jab, cross, hook. Notice how I'm going jab, cross, hook. It's technically we're both practicing jab, cross, hook. But when we switch over the pads, it'll be me that gets the strike, other person gets the catch. But this stops it being like this. Go. Jab, cross, hook. Jab, cross, hook. Come back and practice it. We'll get this. Jab, cross, hook. Then you could be moving.